everybody had an ocean across the USA, and everybody be surfing like California. You'd see them wearing their baggy Warachi sandals too, a bushy blonde hair too. Surfin USA. You get some surfing at Belmont, Ventura County line, Santa Cruz and Pretzels, Australia's Nairobi, all over Manhattan and down to anyway. Everybody's gone surfing, Surfin USA. Well, I'll be planning out a run we're gonna take real soon. We're waxing down our surfboard, we can't wait for June. We'll all be gone for the summer, we're on safari to stay. We'll tell the teacher we're surfing, Surfin USA. At Haggerty's and Smallbeach, Pacific Palisades, San Onofre and Sunset, Redondo Beach, LA, all over La Jolla and Waimea Bay. Everybody's gone surfing, Surfin USA. Surfin USA. Everybody's gone surfing, Surfin USA. Yeah, everybody's gone surfing, Surfin USA.